don't know, rooms is from the Roblox game Doors. Yeah.
The hit game
So
Doors.
we're gonna be playing it today. Apparently there's over 300 rooms, so.
Well, I'm not gonna let you play all 300 rooms because then this video would be at least 1,000 hours, bro.
But what if I time lapse most of it?
No, we're gonna do 25 doors, and then if this video gets more than 10 likes, then we'll probably do the rest.
If this video gets more than 50 views, I'll do it.
If this video gets more than 10 likes, then I'll do the rest.
Okay, don't listen to him. That's his video. So if you want to see Friends' POV of this map, go over to his channel. I'll put it down in the description. Now you can say it for yours.
And then what is it? You did a few videos ago. I did post a trailer. I'm gonna make a full-blown series of this, and hopefully Blizzard will be in it. So yeah.
Yeah. So we'll say the thing like if you want to see my POV, like.
So yeah, if you want to see his POV, go to his channel. Basically the same as his user. I'll put it up right now. There, right here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
If you don't subscribe, I'll eat your toes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Also with you guys. If you don't subscribe, I will eat your toes.
All right, let's go play this now. For the interview.
Let's go play. Okay, so I'm gonna get my drone out. So first, can you go over here? Okay, fine.
Kind of bad when you use a drone, so yeah.
Okay, so that is room 3 right there. Pretty sure you guys can see
room 3. We're gonna start going now. Yeah.
Right there. Okay. Room 4, room 5. I'm not gonna count. I'm too lazy.
6, and then we got 7.
It's pretty dark
now. Guess who's pulling up? We got Mischievous Light pulling up.
Oh yeah, Mischievous Light from Actual Doors this year. My friend, Mr. Frenzy, is a really good voter. He's made a bunch of maps. This is in his private world. I'm gonna.
Alright, sorry for that delay. My parents called me. And yeah.
Get a gun. Now in room 15. There is little guys.
Come on.
And they're very scared.
Guess who's pulling up? We got these geezers up here.
Okay, I got one of them.
You have such good aim, my guy. You got such good aim.
Shut up, bro.
Well, it's like Call of Duty, bro. Be careful, there's one there and one next to the keyhole. There's one there.
Okay, so you're just gonna let me do all the work. Okay.
Yeah, because I don't got a Glock.
Okay, I got one of them.
I'll jump this one. I'll jump this one. Hey. Alright. I got the key.
Okay, I just ate the gun. No, the key.
We don't need the gun, I don't think.
Okay. So this map is actually really good. I'm gonna try and convince Frenzy to make it into a community road. If he does, I'll make it.
He killed me right there. Okay, yeah, we might have actually needed the gun. Why are they not seeing me? They don't see me.
No, wait. Oh, I need one. Oh, wait, give me one. I need one. Thanks.
Pick one.
Is there any in here?
There's one there.
Oh, there's one there. Ow! Good job.
Alright, so.
Okay, so what do we need to make? A BLT.
This is chicken ball.
Oh my god, I forgot about that. Oh, what water child? Okay.
This absolute dummy died on door.
I'm not dumb. You're just big.
24. He died on door 24, bro. And we're almost there.
We're
almost to the end,
24.
bro. We're by the end and he already died. This geezer already died at door 28. I mean 24, bro.
You can't even count.
Be quiet, bro.
Door 28.
Alright, so.
I'm gonna get some cotton.
How we're gonna do this is what we need to do. See this? We need to give this geezer a BLT, and then he'll give us the orange key. Vice versa for the other thing. Then we put it in here, and it opens the gate. Right here. I'm gonna let Blizzard do all the stuff because, well,
I handle the best because I'm so big.
I'm the better one out of us both, so yeah. Oh yeah.
You're both so big, but I'll handle the food.
The rat rebellion came. And they
Okay, so
busted
we're
down
back.
the door. Okay. You got a Glock 19. Let's go check these geezers out down here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
We got the I forgot. I'm stupid. We got the
Me?
Discord mods down here.
that.
You Discord, mod.
mod is crazy. I'm here if you biggie, bro.
Bro, I'm better than you.
God, you got my way, biggie.
Yeah, but I got rid of
It's
him.
kind of hard to
Anyway.
miss you, you know.
Oh, shut up, ass.
So,
Anyway, let's make a
Salad,
BLT and a
bread,
pizza.
bacon.
You made the pizza. I
how
made
do you
the
make
BLT.
bacon again? Salad, bread, and bacon. Salad,
It's kind of down there if you didn't know. So yeah.
bread, bacon.
I think I'm stupid.
Yeah, no, you're really stupid. Okay, I'm gonna time lapse this until we've got all the ingredients to actually make the BLT. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the pot.
I'm gonna make a salad. Don't actually cook it.
Yeah,
Salad, and then we gotta get bacon.
bacon.
Make some sauce. Wait,
Bacon,
no.
egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon,
Shut
egg, and
the fuck
cheese.
up.
It's okay. Ah! Why are you protecting the button? Girl's protecting the button.
Get off, you fucking fast. Get lost! Bro, actually don't. I'm gonna suffocate you. Haha. Go,
I'm built
bro.
different, bro. I'm built different.
Just let it happen, bro. Okay, now we can. You fucking big bat.
I ate a salad, bro. That's not biggie, babe.
Exactly. Alright, so we need to make a pepperoni pizza next. Which I will fucking give you pink eye, my guy. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. There you go. You like that? You like that? Yeah,
Smells
you
really, really good.
love that, don't you? You love that. Yeah, get a load of this big bat. Oh my god! Alright, so do you want to start making the pizza?
How about you start making it? 'Cause I'm making the salad right now.
Alright.
Should I put it in?
Yes. Wait, where's the egg? Well, the Rat Rebellion came here, I think.
Rubber, tomato, and cheese.
Have
Yeah,
you
you
got
need to
the
make
BLT?
cheese.
Wait,
Flavor,
I got this.
rubber, tomato.
We're one step of the way. No. Nope.
Rubber, tomato.
Look by itself.
You know I'm done. You're so big, bro. Where even is the milk?
Milk's in here. I think your father forgot to get it, you know. Biggie, get back from her. Yeah.
That was all for today, guys. It was, sorry for the
Give me some
very
cotton.
short video.
Give me some cotton because you flipping killed me.
I don't care. So sorry for the very short video.
So yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah,
that
short
was
video,
rooms
but well,
inside
still
of
keeping
Yeeps.
checked.
Shout out to Mr. Frenzy. He made this map. His channel will be in the description. And if you want to see his POV, just go to his channel and it should be posted. If it isn't, don't blame me. He's just big and he probably ate the video himself.
Be quiet,
But
you flipping
yeah,
big back.
bye guys.
Anyway, yeah.